Hi, welcome to the IFN Dhaba. I am Seema. Today I am going to be doing a besan ki roti with you. You can call it a besan ka chilla or a besan ki roti, a good breakfast dish. So over to my kitchen. So the ingredients required for making the besan ki roti is, so here we have the chickpea flour, that is the besan. This is about 2 katoris, 1 katori of wheat flour, coriander leaves, 2 green chilies diced, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1 onion diced fine, salt per taste and ghee for frying, and water to knead the dough. So here I put in the besan, then goes in the wheat flour. You have to add wheat flour to this because otherwise you cannot roll out a chapati. I add in the coriander leaves, add in the onions, add in the green chilies, add in ajwain, add in salt, mix everything well, and now just using water to do the dough. This is the dough which has been done. I have just greased my palms a little bit and put it on this so that the dough is easier to manage, or you can just grease your palms and just do it. So this is the ready dough which I am going to roll out now as rotis. So here I light the gas and keep the tawa to get heated. In the meanwhile, I made a ball of the dough. I dust it in wheat flour. This is how I roll it out. I flip the side. Just drizzle in some ghee and just poke it so that it seeps in nicely. So now you can see that the chapati has cooked both the sides nicely. So this is the besan ki roti that I have made. You can have this as a nice breakfast with a bowl of curd and homemade carrot pickle. If you want to enhance your roti even further, you can add a nice dollop of butter, which is equally delicious. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries, any comments, write in. Thank you. Goodbye till next time.